ChatGPT can be one of the worst tools to use for writing, since it's really easy for people and also for Google to look after and see if it's AI written. So your teachers can, for example, use tools such as this GPT-0, where they can just put in your text and then see if it's AI written. So that is really, really bad. But today I'm going to show you a tool that is great for writing essays and whatever you can think of, just like ChatGPT, but it can't be detected by AI checkers. So definitely make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoy this video. But now let's get right into this. Alright, first things first, we want to go to Google, and here we want to search for something called Jenny AI. So just search for Jenny AI, and then we will click on the first link that pops up, jenny.ai. So just click on that, and then we are right here. Now we can click on start writing for free. So we'll just click on that and then sign up with Google. Now we are in here, we can just quickly go through this. And now we can here click onto this and create something. So let's just create something with this AI. Let's, for example, say, write me a blog, and then we can click enter and it will do so. So now we have written a little blog post, and I think this is enough for now. So we are just going to use this, and you can see it's great. I own a golden retriever. They're extremely intelligent and loyal dogs. They're also great and fun to play with. So just a normal blog post, which is really great, something ChatGPT would come up with too. But now what we can do with this is actually we can also click on paraphrase. So we can, for example, choose this and then click on paraphrase so that it can change this text too. So it's a paraphraser in this tool already. So we can just say paraphrase casually, and then it will paraphrase. So we can say accept, and then it's paraphrased already, which is really, really good. Now we can go ahead and copy this text and also put it into a AI checker. So let's just search for, and we can get our results. So let's just see. And as you guys can see, your text is likely to be written entirely by human. Nothing is marked with yellow, so nothing is apparently AI. But the funny thing is, everything of this was written with AI. So with this tool, you don't need Quillbot anymore. You don't need any other paraphraser or try to do some sneaky tricks on ChatGPT to not get flagged down by these plagiarism checkers or ChatGPT checkers. But with this tool, you just need to put in your prompt, and then it will create whatever you need for you, and you can just submit it. Your schoolwork, you can just submit it and have no fear of getting catched for using ChatGPT. So this is really, really good tool. So if I were you, I would definitely check out the tool jenny.ai and use it in future, for example, essays. And definitely make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.